Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. I hope everybody's doing phenomenal. Okay, today is the second part of the biggest craft unboxing of some cross stitch, freestyle cross stitch. I have the last two over here, okay, and the last two, remember that we had the summer and the autumn lantern. I'm gonna post a video over here. So we got the winter lantern, summer and autumn. Yeah. So we got the winter one, winter wonderland, winter wonderland. Let's see when I can get to do this, because I got a whole bunch of seasonal cross stitch that needs to get done. Here it is, part 1 and part 2. It has 46 full stitches, 1 French knot and 2 back stitch. 46. Wow. And 2 French knot and 2 back stitch. And here it is. You can hardly see it, but here is part of the lantern, and here is the bird. The symbols are pretty clear right there, and in the fabric it has the DMC code. The other ones too, I forgot to tell you about it. This is not that hard. I mean, it shouldn't take that long. It's just that it's so much confetti on it that, you know. And the bit that you're gonna have to, over here they divided in 2 parts. The top part all the way around here on the candle, and the bottom part. But these I will divide it like this, because it has so much confetti that, you know, I will do this like half of it, you know, in here. This is what I do. And then I do this half, and then I fold this and I do another half. So I will start with this section, because it's so much confetti that it's gonna take, you know, very long to do. So let's see. We got the 2 needles. Okay. I hate these ones. These ones are too long. Probably the older ones. But it's not that much of threads, you know. Let me get close to it. Look at how beautiful the colors are. Rest of the colors. It's a winter lantern, so there's gonna be a lot of blues and a lot of colors. So that's what I will do on this one, because they have a lot of confetti over here. A lot. Okay. So let's put it back. This one was folded. Yeah. Look like it was folded. about that. You can fast forward if you want to. And here is the first one. That's the winter. This is the spring lantern. 21 by 30, 14 count. The other one is 21 by 30. So it's the same size. I like these seasonal collections. The only thing is I never get them do hardly in the season. Okay. So this one, as you can see, a lot of backstitch, spring colors. This one has 42 colors, full stitch, 1 French knot, and 5 backstitch. Spring lantern. Okay, and then we got the lantern over here. A lot of confetti again. The symbols are clear. There is no problem with the symbols. You got the DMC code over here. So a lot of confetti. Again, I will do the same thing. Fold it in half and fold it in half again. Because over here we got the 2 needles. A hallmark from Joy Sunday. It's a spring, so it's going to have a spring colors. A lot of spring colors. Take a look at this. Beautiful colors. A lot of them. I hate these cartons. Here it is. More colors. Look at these purples, how beautiful they are. So this is what we got for today. This is the second video. I'm gonna post the first video on the iCard or the end cards along with the video with the lanterns for summer and autumn. This is spring and winter. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Here are the 2 lanterns. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.